Rahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to use the concept of discriminant. Let's read out the question. Find the condition that the roots of the equation are equal. So we are supposed to use the concept of discriminant. We know that if the roots are equal, this implies that discriminant is equal to 0. So from this condition of discriminant is equal to 0, we are going to find that condition, right? So for finding out the value of discriminant, so we are supposed to uh, convert this equation to the standard form. So mx plus c whole square minus 4ax is equal to 0. Here we'll have m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus 4ax is equal to 0. Right, now we are going to combine the terms, the same terms, the like terms. These two are terms for x, so we are going to take x as common and we are left with 2mc minus 4a and x plus c square is equal to 0. Now we have converted the equation into standard form. Here we can easily identify the values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to m square, b is equal to 2mc minus 4a, and the value of c is equal to c square. So now our discriminant becomes, what will be the value of discriminant? B square minus 4ac. By the condition we are using, we know that if the roots are equal, discriminant is equal to 0. So here we have an equation. Now we'll insert the values. So instead of b, we'll write 2mc minus 4a whole square minus 4. Instead of a, we'll write m square. Instead of c, we'll write c square equal to 0. We just have to open up the square. It will become 4m square c square to 2 times 4 times 16 m c a, and then we'll have 4 times 16 a square and 4m square c square is equal to 0. From here you can see this we can take as we can cancel the two terms and we can take, and we are left with 16 mca plus 16a square. So from here you can see we can take 16a as common, right? So we'll take, let's say, minus 16a we can take common, and we are left with mc minus a equals to 0. So here we are having two factors, either minus 16a equal to 0, or you can say mc minus a is equal to 0. So if you see, we cannot equate minus 16a equal to 0, so this is not equal to 0. So why it is not equal to 0? Because minus 16 is not equal to 0. Again, a is not equal to 0. So why? Because if we put a equal to 0, then this becomes 0, and if this becomes 0, then this whole terms becomes 0, and our quadratic equation will be converted into linear equation, which is not possible according to this question, right? So we'll put a as not equal to 0, and from this second factor we'll write mc is equal to a, or you can say a is equal to cm. So this is the given condition that was being asked in the question. Hope you understand this term. We have just used the concept of discriminant, that if the roots are equal, discriminant is equal to 0, and from discriminant is equal to 0, we have sorted out the condition that is being asked in the question. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.